If you spend any time on the internet, you've probably heard of the Instant Pot. They work by creating a tight seal to trap steam and heat while your food is cooking, which results in faster cooking times and often better, more intense flavors. Instant Pot has a few lines of pressure cookers, ranging from the most basic Duo 7-in-1 line up to the Ultra and Crisp lines, which have 10-in-1 and 11-in-1 functionality, respectively. All models function as rice cookers, pressure cookers, slow cookers, steamers, and warmers in one convenient countertop appliance. Like traditional slow cookers, Instant Pots have a removable inner cooking pot, making them easy to clean after use. All models have pre-programmed and customizable settings, offering nearly foolproof one-touch cooking for a wide variety of foods. While all models have the same basic functionality, there are plenty of differences, making all Instant Pot models a great choice depending on what you're looking for. Let's start with the original, least expensive, but most loved and reviewed, the Instant Pot Duo. This machine may be considered the most basic, but for pressure cooking beginners, it has everything you need. Easy to use, easy to clean, and with 13 smart programs for one-touch cooking, even the least kitchen-savvy chefs can have this thing cranking out delicious meals in no time. The Duo comes in 3 sizes, 3-quart, 6-quart, and 8-quart. The 3-quart is great for individuals or small families, or meal prepping in small batches. The 6 and 8-quart models are perfect for larger families or entertaining, with the 8-quart able to accommodate meals for up to 8 people. Stepping up to the Duo Plus, we now get 9-in-1 functionality with the additional capabilities of sterilizing and cooking sous vide, which is cooking by immersion in water under a vacuum seal. Great for someone who wants a little more from their pressure cooker. The Duo Plus offers 2 additional smart programs and a steam release switch for easier venting. It comes in 3-quart and 8-quart sizes. Things start to get a little more interesting moving on to the Pro model. Available in 6-quart and 8-quart sizes, the Pro becomes 10-in-1 by adding cake baking to the list of functions. This model also looks a little more interesting, swapping out the traditional stainless steel for an all-black look that fits into most modern kitchens. The Pro is the first to have a turn dial on the control pad instead of touchpad buttons, which many people find easier to use. The real functional upgrade from the Duo and Duo Plus models to the Pro is the potential for customization and fine-tuning with 28 pre-programmed settings and 5 fully programmable favorite buttons. The Pro can handle just about any recipe with precision and reliability. An upgraded steam release mechanism is quieter and cleaner, reducing steam release to surrounding surfaces. Lastly, the Instant Pot Pro is made for accessories. It comes standard with an additional sealing ring for the lid, which provides a tighter seal, and additional safety assurance, and a stainless steel steamer rack that has handles, making it easy to remove from the unit. This model is also compatible with the Quick Cool Tray, purchased separately, which sits on the lid and uses ice to release pressure up to 50% faster. If you're always in a rush, the Pro can save you even more time compared to the Duo and Duo Plus. Another step up from the Instant Pot Pro is the Instant Pot Ultra. Also available in 6-quart and 8-quart, the Ultra model offers the same 10-in-1 functionality as the Pro, with the addition of even more customization options and 16 smart programs. With the updated control panel, the Ultra can adjust for altitude pressure changes and has a cooking indicator that not only displays the temperature and pressure, but also makes automatic adjustments for heating and cook time. The new steam release reset button is an additional feature, allowing for even safer handling of steam once cooking is finished. The Ultra model also comes standard with the steam rack, as well as a recipe booklet, a serving spoon, and a soup spoon. Maybe not selling points, but it's always fun to get more accessories with your purchase. If you're someone who wants major customization options with automated adjustments to match, the Ultra might just be the one for you. Last up is the Crisp line, which includes the Instant Pot Crisp, the Duo Crisp, and the Pro Crisp. The main difference in the Crisp line is the additional air frying lid, adding air frying, roasting, and baking to each model's already impressive list of functionalities. The Duo Crisp and Pro Crisp models are even able to dehydrate with the air frying lid. In line with their non-crisp counterparts, the Duo Crisp has the standard push-button control pad, and the Pro Crisp flaunts the black color and updated control pad with the center dial. Crisp models come with a broil and dehydrator tray, air fryer basket and base, and steaming rack. That's it for this lineup of Instant Pots. They all share the same basic functions, but the choice boils down to just how many other kitchen appliances you want to ditch in favor of one of these versatile pressure cookers.